What the man? Oh, bruv, are you mad? The is going on in this trade today? Oh, boy.
Just gonna have to fucking walk off because
I'll be honest with you boys, that is the most mental trading day of this entire series. By far. Like, what the even just happened? I'm about to go shit. Yo, them. Here we go, as you can already see, I'm currently looking at NAS. Do you want to know why? US30 it's fucking shit itself already. Like, that's what we're going to look at. As you can see here, boom, we mark out support, mark out our resistance. It's looking pretty clean. I prefer sells today, massively prefer sells today. As you can see, yesterday news brought the fucking market up a lot.
we got some early droppage, but that's all right. Freak out. As you can see yesterday, we didn't take a trade, and that was for the best because nothing went good. Even after I got off. Probably gonna have a better chance here with NASDAQ. Having some early droppage here as well.
Like I was saying, boys.
All right, here we go.
Yo, boys, if you want to join the Currency Cave and live trade with Mamba every single day, like I'm doing right now before yous, jump in. First link in the description. Guys, we need a little, you know what I mean, a little smell nice and shit stuff. Boys, check the fucking cow. Got the chef TikTok shop for fucking 10 bitch band stuff. Fucking, yo, girl, yo, bitch. What you telling me? You good, yeah? I got that fucking breakout P. Right, yo, boys, fucking go.
We're already pushing down so much. We'll see if Bryce wants to
come back up.
Reverse for a second before we just plummet. You don't want to get faked out, but we also don't want to miss out if this does push. NASDAQ's not a bad selling opportunity, but very early on. I would say sell NASDAQ here.
Oh shit, boys, I've just sold fucking US30 instead. So, boys, literally, if you've not skipped the beginning of the video, I'll literally call in from the start. US30 is a bag of shit, avoid like plague. And because I left it on my screen thinking I was like so certain and set on NASDAQ, I was like, yeah, NASDAQ's the one. I thought I'd left it on NASDAQ, rushed into the trade because it was moving so quick and like, bro. Fuck. I sold US30.
Target one. There we go. Just wait on US30.
Nah.
That's perfectly fine. Target two.
I took US30 fucking by accident.
There we go. And
nah, what the fuck, man? Oh, bruv, are you fucking mad? Are you fucking mad? Yeah, as you see, US30 and NASDAQ did polar opposites at the beginning. NASDAQ just shit its fucking pants. And US30 were getting a rock on, like.
Take a look at US30 in a little bit.
Are you fucking mad?
NASDAQ's already doing what it needs to do.
Nah. US30, nah.
And come on, just not there.
Nah, bruv. Why am I doing this?
Make sure you start closing your profit now. Start closing profit, make some money. Do not make this a losing day.
Nah, bruv.
No way this is a losing day. Big wins.
Nah.
That's how you.
Nah.
That's how you finish it off. That's how you finish off the week.
Nah. I've just fucked it.
Let's go, Zach.
I've just fucked it. It has to come.
About.
Nah, boys, I've just fucked it. It has to come down. Surely 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 it has to come down. I didn't even mean to take US30, boys. I didn't even mean to take it. Are you fucking dumb? Go back down, bro. Go back down. Go down. Why is it not going back down? Nah. I fucked it. I fucking fucked it, boys. Oh, boys. I fucking... Bruv, have you seen my man's screen? Nah, bruv, if this goes back down now, I'm fucking telling you, bruv, I'm doubling up the lots. Nah, I'm not doing that. Chill. I ain't doing that. Boys, have you seen the trade I just missed? That's what I just missed. I fucking didn't realise I was on US30. Stupid bastard.
10K, 3,300, 3,600.
Bro.
Plus 400, plus 600. I mean, come on.
Oh. I literally.
You guys come around here making some money with me. I'm no longer in this trade. No, not after going to target 3 that fast. Appreciate you guys, man. Yeah. Let the rest run. If you closed half, let the rest run. I mean, for me, I'm out fully. I think it's a good move. I think we did enough. We'll come back Monday, and we'll do it all over again. We'll have another solid week. This week was a little slower for sure, but still overall, 2 wins, 1 loss. Take that any day of the week, and we're profitable as usual. So we'll come back next week. We'll do it all again. See you guys later.
Oh, you fucking dumb. Are you fucking dumb? Oh, bro. I didn't even mean to take that fucking trade, man. I didn't even. Oh, I was saying from the start, US 30's wank. Oh. Why did I just enter again? Why the fuck did I just. What is it? Alright. Calm down. Calm it. Why did I just enter that? Why the fuck did I even just enter that? Am I stupid? Bro, if this breaks this fucking trend line, I've lost my mind. How much did I lose? I lost $2,700 on one fucking trade. What a stupid. Does not even want to come down now. Nah. It don't even want to come down. Do you know what? I'm actually fucking. God damn it. Bastard. Absolute bastard. I've missed the biggest. Oh, that's such a fat L. That is such a fat L. That's the biggest L I've taken on this channel. By far. Biggest L. That is the biggest L I have taken this entire series. This entire series, that is the biggest L. The thing that's pissing me off is I didn't even want to take US 30. I was calling how shit it was from the start. And now here I am. Just losing 2.7k in a fucking second trade like a knobhead. What the fuck am I even doing? What am I even doing at this point? It has to come down though, surely. To this area very, 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 very much. What the fuck that even just meant? Come on, break it. You know you want to shit yourself. Just shit yourself. Bro, just fucking keep going. Drop now. That's it. There we go. Okay, cool. Here's where I would have entered another position. So keep on dropping. Bro, keep on dropping to the beat of the sound. Go on. Right, how do I trail the fucking stop loss? Absolutely mental. I am losing my mind. What the fuck is going on in this trade today? I really don't know, but it's going my way. What the fuck is going on? Right, I need to pay attention. Focus. Right, take profit here. Bosh. Am I fucking silly, boys? I'll be honest with you. At this point, I didn't even realise I was just shy of 4 racks up. This is where I should. Man's planning out to take profit zones on 4 racks up. Dickhead. Trailing stops. How the fuck do I trail? Move the stop loss. How do I move the stop loss? What we collecting? No. Alright. Fucking confirm. Bro, what the fuck just happened? Boys, just give me 2 fucking seconds before I have an heart attack. Hold on, let me try and get a NASDAQ reversal. Way too oversold. US 30 is also reversed. Woo, calm my emotions down. Genuinely not even gonna lie, the most stressful day of trading of my entire YouTube documenting series by far. Mental, boys. This boys, if you haven't already subscribed, this is just entertainment at this point. This is pure entertainment. If you are not entertained, then fuck knows how you'll be entertained. This is just mental at this point. Bro, if you man are witnessing something else today, this is the maddest. Have you just seen how fucked up today's trading's just gone? I'm about to get stopped out. Nah, dead. And I have to take the camera. I'm gonna have to take all this shit. Boys, I can't lie. I'm gonna have to just take this shit, and I'm genuinely just gonna have to fucking walk off, because if I stay on this computer and do some more dumb shit, I am